Hey folks, today I'm at the Apple Store, taking some class on shades, light, dark, soft, brightness. So if you all in the area and you all want to come down and see me at the Apple Store, come visit your boy. Any fans want to come see me, come down. I'm at the Apple Store today, all freaking day. So if you're around and you want to come down to the Apple Store and see your boy, come visit your boy.
iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, the second generation, and the software that we will be using is called Procreate. Now, if you haven't heard of Procreate, or maybe
Procreate,
just heard of
Photoshop,
here and there,
Adobe,
it's becoming
Premiere.
industry standard.
There's
So
a lot of
if you're
applications.
curious
I'm
about,
actually going to buy
like
a
my
pencil.
friend, my niece, or my so-and-so,
Like a
relative starting to
sketching
learn
pencil
about
and
the
start
tools,
sketching
or you
on
yourself
paper.
are an artist, maybe you're just dabbling with the Apple
So,
Pencil, and you're curious about how you can record it, draw with the iPad,
Stay
and the
tuned,
pencil.
stay
We have
tuned.
some devices here for you if you'd like to join us.